In this quick video, I am going to show you a few different ways to update your NVIDIA drivers to keep your system running smoothly. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now, the first method is through NVIDIA app. This tool is typically installed when you first set up your NVIDIA drivers. To access it, go to the Start menu and search for NVIDIA. Once it opens, head to the settings by clicking the gear icon. I highly recommend enabling the option to automatically download driver updates, and it will let you choose when to install them. This saves you from manually downloading updates every time. Next, click on the drivers tab. From here you can check for updates and install the latest drivers with just few clicks. If there is a new driver available, you will see an option for express installation. Click on that and it will handle the installation process for you. However, if this method doesn't work, don't worry, we have another solution. Let's move on to the NVIDIA control panel. Right click on your desktop and select NVIDIA control panel. Alternatively, you can search for it in the Start menu. Once it opens, click on the help at the top, then select system information. A new window will pop up showing your current driver version. Mine is 566.36. Make a note of this version for the next step. Also, if you are unsure of your card, then it will display your GPU model at the top as well. Now open your web browser and search for NVIDIA drivers. Be sure to go to the official NVIDIA website. Look for the manual driver search section. Here you will need to input your graphic card details. Once you fill in the form, click Start Search and then the site will display the latest drivers available for your card. Mine was 566.36. Compare the version with what you noted earlier. If there is a newer version, download it. After the download is complete, run the installer. It's a straightforward process and it will guide you through the process step by step. And there you have it. These are the methods you can use to ensure your NVIDIA drivers are always up to date. Now, if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? For now, thanks for watching.